Hello. 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 Yeah, Kavya.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Gagan.
Yes, sir.
Gagan.
Yes, sir.
Rohit.
Sure.
Hello. Sound. Hello, Kavya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello, good morning, sir.
There. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir. It is audible.
Hello, good
Hello.
morning, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Kavya. Rohit.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, can you see my screen? Okay. So last session I discussed about one more student has come. Where he will sit? Come. నువ్వు ఇట్లేసుకో ఇంకా వెయిట్ you have to adjust today a little bit. You can move it. Just adjust today on Monday. I'll sit there. When nobody is. Someone will come, then they have to attend online. They'll sit there. Okay, last class hide option, display. Okay, hide, display. One more, required field and optional. Okay, that same procedure I'll give for another tab, purchasing tab. Then I'll give assignment for you to practice for yourself. Okay, I'm going to show same example. Hide, required field. I'm repeating same steps, last class steps. Required field, optional, and display. Okay, display. In last class I worked on basic data 1 tab, correct? Okay. Basic data 1 tab. Okay, if it is purchasing tab, how to identify? If it is purchasing tab, or if it is plant data storage 1, like that we have one separate tab, storage 1. Then if I give these particular fields, how to identify the fields? Example, last class I worked on basic data, division, and lab, and lab office, and one more is a general item category. These 3 fields I worked on that. Okay, today we are working on purchasing tab. Okay, this is, write down if you want, purchasing tab I am working on. Same procedure, because for understanding I am giving And for practical purpose, your practical purpose, I will give another 3-4 examples. 3 examples. Purchasing tab to be. Excuse me. Do you need fan? Okay. Purchasing tab. Under purchasing tab, we have purchasing group is there. Purchasing group. Then we want. అవసరం లేదంటలే 1 second. అవసరం లేదంట. Okay, purchasing group. Purchasing group. 1 second. Purchasing group is mandatory. Okay. Purchasing group is mandatory. We have to maintain. Then I'll show theoretically. Sorry, practically I'll show now. I'm writing now. Practically I'll show it now. Just log in. Go to MM01. Enter. Here, I explained yesterday this topic. Okay, basic data 1 topic, meaning division lab office related. So let me enter sample data here. Material group, any one material group. Okay, division. Any name I can use. So now if I enter unit of measure, enter, it will go to the basic data 2 tab. Then once if I enter once again, where it will go? Purchasing tab. Right now, under purchasing tab, this is the field. This is the field we have to maintain mandatory. Purchasing group is mandatory. Purchasing group is mandatory. How to identify the purchasing group field? Okay, now I required a field name. How to identify? How to find out the field name? Click on F1. Okay, click on F1. Next. Which one you have to click on? Technical information. Same last class. Okay, right now. Go to purchasing group. Press F1. Click on technical information. Right, see here, this table is different. That's what I had given. That's why this is the this is the second table. Last class we worked on Mara table. See, table name is understood. Technical information you have to click. Technical information. So this is a symbol. Once again, I'll show it. See, this is a symbol. Okay, technical information. This is a symbol. Then it will show the table name right now. Table name and field name. Okay, table name, field name. This one table field I had given. Next, one more field I will give. Valid from I don't want. First I have to hide, then I have to make it optional right now. Valid from field is hide. Because I'm not going to keep it hide, then I'm going to make it as optional also. Okay. Valid from field hide. Valid from field hide. Then I'm going to make it optional. Okay, optional. Okay, optional. Okay, these two steps will work. Even display also will work there only. Okay, that's it. Tell me anybody how to do it. Where you have to go? No, for valid from, no? Then valid from, how to identify the field name? F1, okay, F1, not F4. In your key laptop, sometimes function keyword, if it is on, then it will work. Otherwise, it won't work. Keyword, okay, F4, sorry, F1. It will show. Okay, click on technical. This is the table name, field name, right now. Valid from field name is, valid from table name is MERC, and field name is MMSTD. Okay, MMSTD. These two fields I'm going to explain right now. Next, I will give for assignment for you. MMSTD. MERC is a table name. MMSTD is a field name. Okay. Table name is fixed. Field names, under that there are so many fields are there. In the one table is having almost 200, 300 fields are there. Now, how to do these steps? Hide option or required field? SPRO settings. Backend means always you have to go to SPRO. Okay. Configuration means SPRO. Testing means front end MM01. If it is another T code, XK01. Okay, right. Go to SPRO backend. Okay, go to SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Okay, SAP reference IMG. Where you have to go? No. Material master. Where it is?
Logistics.
Second. Yeah. Large. Okay. Here some screen is very large screen. Here we have logistic general. Under logistic general, material master. Under material master, field selection. This path is important. Okay. Then under that, maintain field selection for data screens. Okay. Same yesterday concept. Okay. Only difference is table and field. Execute. That's what I'm repeating once again, because yesterday if somebody not understood, okay, today you just see this one concept. Then okay, this is screen related issue. Okay, so here now one field, first field has come. I have to identify the two fields one by one field. Browse. How to identify? F4 function, F4 some keywords in your laptop. F4 or click that icon. Find option. What is the name? EKGRP something. Correct? EKGRP. If you enter field table name also okay. Here with only field name, if you enter, automatically table name also will show. Okay. No need to enter the table name. If you enter table name, it won't show. Table name contains so many fields. That's what field name is important here. Okay. Select here. Find out the EKGRP. Find out EKGRP. Double click. Enter. So here EKGRP means purchasing group. Okay, purchasing group. Now down we have the field references we have. Here we have to see the ROH. Okay, ROH. Okay, this is field reference. You have to find out it. Position. Right. Go to position. go to position ROH. ROH. Check here. ROH. What is the status? Correct? Now which one we are going to do it? Breakpoint entry. Step 1 is over. Save it. Continue. Save, continue. Okay. Next, one more field. What is the second field name? Browse F4. Find MMSTD. Enter. Is correct? MMSTD. Double click on this. Double click. Then enter. That is 51. Then where we have to go? First you just do it. Sorry, which one? Hide option. Okay. Later I will put option on display one by one. Save. Any doubt here? Any doubt? Have to tell? Do you want right? Do you want right? No. Same, almost same. Field names same as this. Next, how to test? MM0 already opened, but MM01 I have to refresh it. How to do it? /n. /n means it will go to first screen. Next, MM01. Enter industry sector and material type. Basic data 1, basic data 2. Plant storage location. Any sample data. Enter sample data, basic data 1, enter. Then now it will go to the purchasing tab. You can see the now purchasing tab. Purchasing group is mandatory. Where is valid from date? It's not there. Okay, it is hidden. Okay, then like this, any view, not only this view. Okay, any view, any basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing 1, storage 1, storage 2, MRP 1, MRP 2, MRP 3, MRP 4, and accounting 1, storage 1. So any data, any screen, same procedure, only difference is database tables. Only difference is database table. If it is hide option. If it is display option. Okay, let me restore it now. How to restore? Same field. You have to click here. Optional entry. Save it. Check now. How to refresh once again. Save it. Save it. Control S. Sir, it is hidden. It is hidden. That's why it is giving that. Then I have to go to /n MM01. Enter. Enter, share. Purchasing group has come. Valid from restored. Purchasing group 001. Save it. Now material is okay. Here it is giving some issue. Field structure category is defined as a field. It is giving some issue. What means yesterday somebody hided basic data 1. Let me check. Item category also it's okay. Some fields are hidden here. F1. Material is not creating once again. Empty POS underscore Mara. Mandatory fields, if you hide it, you will get runtime error. Control F. POS underscore. Mara. Enter. Optional. Just I change once again. Check now. Okay. See, I don't know which field is they hidden. I have to search all the fields. But still it is not allowing to change the structure category. Okay, some fields are hidden here. That's what material is. Okay, in your laptop also, if you hide and if you forget the fields, you cannot create the material. If you are not creating material, you cannot process the next concept. Okay, I'll check it. This concept by today evening. Okay, I'll check online. I have to compare two sessions. Which one is hidden? Somebody hidden. That's what it is not working. This material master data, but process is working. Process means hide options, everything is working. But mandatory field is somebody hidden. Those mandatory fields I have to check. That's why whenever you are doing practical, write down clearly which field you are hiding, what step you are doing. If you forgot that step, then next time you cannot restore it. If you are not restoring, once again you have to install server. Optional you can keep it. Optional means you won't get any error. Hide option you will get error. Okay, hide options. If you hide some fields like division field, if you hide it, you will get error. Okay, error. Why means without division there is no material. Okay, without division there is no material. Understood? Next, write down for your practical purpose. Your practical purpose. You have to do yourself. Temperature conditions. Temperature conditions. Under plant data storage 1. Temperature conditions. This is like same real time only. Your own practical, own implementation. Temperature conditions under plant data storage 1. The plant data storage 1 is mandatory field. You have to maintain mandatory, but here it is not mandatory. Next, storage conditions. Storage conditions. It's a mandatory. Storage conditions is mandatory. Okay, these two, okay, we will work out. You can work out this one. And one more under accounting 1 tab. Valuation class is mandatory. Valuation class is mandatory. Under accounting tab, okay, valuation class is mandatory. I'm giving only mandatories. You try display, optional, all you can try. Why means because we won't work display and hide. Hide will work, but display we will never work. Okay, for your own practical, practice same field. First hide, then restore, then required. Same field you can do display. All 4 options you can work out. Then one by one you can test. Okay, this is the example. Clear? Next. Okay. Here I'll check this error later. Now purchasing group creation. Next step. Purchasing group creation. Where this purchasing group? This purchasing group is under purchasing tab. Purchasing group is under purchasing. Here we have purchasing group. Purchasing group. Okay, group creation. Purchasing group. Purchasing group creation. This purchasing group is nothing but a like person name, like Gangadhar is going to purchase all purchasing activities. Like if I need like 1000 kgs I required purchasing. Those all 1000 kgs as a purchasing group means it is a employee or group of employees. Purchasing group is nothing but a person or group of persons to purchase to procure the material. Write down. Purchasing group is a person or group of persons. Purchasing group is a person or group of persons. In bracket buyer to procure the material. Excuse me. To procure the material. From vendor. To procure the material from vendor. This version. Next. This is purchasing group. Means person I am telling. Purchasing organization means it is a department. Purchasing organization means it is a department. What exactly their activities are? Procurement activities only. Okay, department contains all the persons. They'll do that procurement. Organizations will discuss later. Already created purchasing organizations. Okay, now group I am creating. Okay, group purchasing group creation. This is a different step. Go to SPRO. Go to SPRO. IMG. Okay, material management. Okay, material management. Under material management, we have purchasing option. Under material management, we have purchasing option. Under purchasing, we have here create purchasing groups. Create purchasing groups. Okay. Execute. Execute. Okay. New entries. Okay. New entries. Okay. GA Usha, no? We are confident. Usha. Name. USH. Company is Usha, no? USH. So the person name is Gangadhar. That is the name of the group. USH, telephone number, so and so telephone number, fax number, enter, save it. Just save it. But same organization, there are so many purchasing groups are there. It's not only one group. There are so many groups are there. Meaning US2, some other Sri Krishna. One number, some other number. Same organization, but groups are many. That we can call purchasing organization. Okay, purchasing organization. Any doubt? Clear? Now, okay, let me check how to test this one, this purchasing group. Where we have to check? Under MM01, under purchasing tab, under purchasing tab, third tab, purchasing group. What is the name I created? USH. Okay, USH. Browse. So many, but you just do it US star F4. Then it will show. Here I created just now USH to Sri Krishna USH. Which group you want to maintain, that you maintain, you can maintain the group name. Understand? Meaning what I am trying to say? Very simple. Configuration means backend they will give requirement. Take that requirement. They will give in the form of Word document. Okay, Word document. In future I will provide it. Okay, that Word document you have to see and you have to implement in SAP. To implement SAP, SPRO you have to use it. Once if you implement it, is working properly or not, you have to check. See, just now I checked. Everything is working, but material master data is not saving. That my testing is failed. Why? Somebody hide a field. Then I have to identify that is where this field. But in real time, we cannot hide like this. Whatever they provide, only those particular fields only will hide it. Okay. Whatever, okay, all fields if you hide it, total MM01 it won't work. If MM01 if it is not working, you cannot purchase the material. There is no purchase info record. There is no purchasing. Okay, so you have to ask clearly. Okay, what is the business scenario? According to that scenario, you have to configure it. It's now clear. Any doubt? Purchasing group. Next. In first tab, I'm explaining one by one tab. In first tab, here you have material group, standard material group I entered here. Okay. Now I have to configure my own material group. Yesterday also I used standard. I told you if it is mandatory, just use standard. Now we are creating our own material group. Okay, write down. Some 2-3 steps I'll give. Okay, today you practice those one. Material group. Okay, material group. Material group means, say, material means iron. Sorry, this is, let's say, this is some keyboard, something like, okay, what we can call remote. What exactly this is? Plastic. Plastic is material group. Under plastic, I can make it remotes material, some other parts, any part I can create it. Now, what exactly the total final item material group name is? Plastic. If it is iron, iron is a material group. But iron I can make it rods, plates, steel, so many. Okay, those are all materials. Okay, now I have to segregate. Okay, which type of material group you are creating? Meaning, what is the purpose of this particular material group? Means, whenever you are generating reports, analyzing reports. Okay, analyzing reports based on this material group, if you analyze it, then it will show. Okay, normally for business scenario, not required. Material group, you can keep it blank. But for analyzing how many plastic related materials are there in total in SAP, we can identify by using material group. Understood? Write down material group. Material group is to Okay, that day I sent you one note. I think somebody have seen that one. This is only material group related. In 2 days back, one theoretical notes I sent you. See here, this is. Okay, this is Pakka question. That's what I'm. Okay, in material document it is there already. Sir, some material types I send you. Interview question. Material groups are defined at client level. You can define material groups in SAP for differentiate of various materials. Differentiate. Plastic. What is plastic? Which plastic that is? There are plastic also. So many plastic types are there. Hard plastic is there. So, okay, soft plastic. So many. Okay, to segregate those one we can use it. Okay, write down one point. Material groups we can maintain under client level in bracket 800, 810 like that. Material groups we can maintain under okay, material groups you can maintain under at a client level. Material groups is to specify the classification of the materials. Material groups is to specify classification of materials. Material groups to specify classification of materials. In bracket to differentiate the various materials. To differentiate the various materials. Example, plastic is example. Plastic. Under plastic, we have different plastic. Okay, plastic, keyboards, remotes, mouse. That is one example. Next example, electronic industry. Sorry, electronic items. Electronics items. Electronic item is a material group. Under that, what are the electronics items? Say TV. Okay. Remaining laptop. These all are electronic items. Okay, electronic items. Now I have to create my own material group. How to create? Create means SBRO. Write down steps. That step is over. I tested purchasing group. Next, go to SPRO. This time once again you have to go to logistic general only, not material management. Okay, once again you have to go to logistic general. Under that, material master. Under that, field selection. Material master, field selection. One second. Sorry, we are not hiding. We are maintaining key fields. Sorry. No, don't go to field selection. Go to settings for key fields. Under material master, directly go to settings for key fields. Okay, settings for key fields. Click on define material groups. Click on define material groups. Define material groups. Execute. Execute. Okay. I'm going to create my own naming convention. New entries. New entries. The name I will give you my name only. US MATG material group. This is Usha Plastics. Plastics material group. Enter. Save it. Plain configuration. There's no complication here. That's it. Then where it will appear this Usha MATG MM01. Okay, testing. Same like that. Write down test. Go to MM01. Why I am giving one by one test means it is easy, okay, to identify directly. Okay, it is easy to identify. Go to save. Just save. Just enter the name, description, save, Control S. Each and every record you have to save. Then only it will update. Otherwise, it won't appear there. Most of the students, they are creating, they are not saving, they are testing. Okay, if they won't save it, it won't update immediately. Okay, now check now. Immediately, if you go to the SAP MM01, no need to go back here, okay, because database is updated. Now, if you enter here USH, sorry, US star, then which keyword you have to enter? F4. Okay, F4. See here, which name I created just now? Correct? Like this. If it is back-end database, it will update immediately. Some screens hide field, those fields it won't hide, it won't refresh. That time you have to go back, then you have to enter MM01. You have to observe, if it is screen related fields, it won't update immediately. You have to refresh the screen. Refresh means /n. Okay. If it is database like finding the record, it will update immediately. It will update. It's clear? Okay. Better up to this point. Okay. I'll stop it because hide related so many students are not practiced. We'll see if somebody is having any doubts. Because today classroom changes. I changed. Okay. So much time wasted. Okay. Monday I'll continue. Okay. Practice. If you have any doubt, message me. I'll come 10 minutes before only. I'll see your laptop. I'll sort out the errors. Okay. For me, no problem. The thing is, you have to ask any number of doubts. I'll support you until getting job. Thing is, you have to work hard. That's it. Your side, if you work hard, I'll support you. Yeah, up to whatever level you will practice. Okay. Yeah. I'll stop it today. Monday will continue. Same scenario. Setting key fields only. Today I'm going to stop now. Yeah, Mohammed, any doubt? Kavya?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Monday,
No,
same time, 9:30. Okay, 9 point. Even 9 o'clock
Okay,
room is free. If everyone will come 9:15, okay, we'll plan. Okay, I'll update you. By 9:30 only we'll plan. Okay, if all are coming by 9:15, then we'll start the early only. Because by 9 o'clock,
sir.
classroom will be empty. So before 9:30, they used to close, but then 9 o'clock. Okay, I'll ask them on Monday. If everyone is coming 9:15, then we'll start early only, little bit. Otherwise, if you have doubt, okay, come down early. Okay, I'll stop it now.